Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some paper's covering it, but it's a probiotic for gut probiotic fiber gummies. There you go. So this is what you have here. So if you need some fiber gummies, this one here looks like it might be good. Let's check it out. It looks like it says for better nutrient absorption, healthy gut flora, balanced system, immune support. So it comes with a lot of different things that it's good for. And so this is what the jar looks like here. Probiotic fiber gummies. And it says 60 gummies. And the serving size is 2 gummies, possibly 3 gummies. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. So opening it up. Had a little seal. Okay, so if you need some probiotics, so this smells nice and fruity. This is what it looks like here. It's kind of like a gummy, like a gumdrop. And use chew 2 gummies daily or as directed by your healthcare professional. Oh, these are delicious. I would just sit here and eat the whole jar. But this is it here. So if you need some good probiotics, this is a great way to get it because it's delicious. So really good. Got low calories. It's only 8. So that's 8 for 2. So this looks like a great thing. So if you need some good probiotics, which is always good for gut health, they say. So I like it. Thumbs up.